Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there were hills made of chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. Hills as brown and lovely as your favorite chocolate bar. But before you start packing your bags and spoons, these hills are not made of real chocolate. They're called the Chocolate Hills, and they're one of the most spectacular natural wonders in the Philippines. Imagine rolling hills as far as the eye can see, all uniformly shaped like perfect little mounds. During the dry season, the grass covering these hills turns a delicious brown, making them look like giant Hershey's Kisses spread across the landscape. That's when they earn their sweet name, the Chocolate Hills. But how did these hills come to be? Well, that's an interesting story. Some say these hills are the tears of a giant who lost his beloved, while others believe they are the result of two giants hurling stones at each other in a fierce battle. But science offers a slightly less dramatic explanation. These hills are actually made of limestone, shaped and formed by centuries of erosion and weathering. The Chocolate Hills are a prime example of what geologists call a karst landscape, which is formed when soluble rocks like limestone, dolomite, and gypsum are shaped by erosion. Over millions of years, rainwater seeping through the cracks in the limestone dissolves it, causing the surface to sink and create depressions. These depressions, over time, became the beautiful, rounded mounds we see today. But the magic of the Chocolate Hills doesn't stop there. They are also home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, making them a vibrant ecosystem. From the tarsier, one of the world's smallest primates, to various species of birds and insects, the Chocolate Hills are a buzzing, thriving habitat. So while you might not be able to take a bite out of these Chocolate Hills, they offer something equally delightful. A visual feast for the eyes, a lesson in geology, and a peek into a vibrant ecosystem. In the heart of the Philippines, the Chocolate Hills stand as a testament to the wonders that nature can create. A landscape shaped by time, they tell a tale of the Earth's natural processes and the diverse life it supports. So remember, the next time you bite into a chocolate bar, think of these fascinating hills and the sweet secrets they hold.